Let's take a look at this example. Again, we are going to convert the prefixes to powers of 10. I have 1 times 10 to 0, because anytime I have no prefix, it means that I have power of 10, 10 to 0 amps, minus 345 times 10 to negative 3 amps. In order to perform the subtraction, I have to make sure that my powers of 10 are going to be identical. This time I'm going to convert 0 to negative 3. My exponent is going to go down. In order to make my exponent going down, I have to make sure that my number is going to get bigger. I have to move my decimal point 3 times to the right side. That's why I'm going to have 1000, because I move my decimal point 3 times to right, times 10 to negative 3 amps, minus 345 times 10 to negative 3 amps. My powers of 10 are identical. That's why I can perform the subtraction. I have 1000 minus 345. I'm going to borrow 1 from here. This becomes 10. This is going to be 9, 9. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay? So I have to copy this number down. I have 655 times 10. I have to copy the common power of 10, negative 3 amps. The number on the left side of decimal point is between 1 and 999. My exponent is multiple of 3. That's why I'm going to write my final answer as 655 milliamps. And this is the final answer to my problem. This example is a very simple one. Please notice that we have exactly the same prefix. Anytime you have exactly the same prefix, you don't have to convert these prefixes to powers of 10. Simply subtract these two numbers. 1 torre minus 50 is nothing else, just 80 millihenries. And this is the answer to the problem.